gives an exclusive detailed look at his new Maybach on Star Island.
Woo! What's up? What's up, baby? Much love. Much. Yeah, it's me. What's up? This be for the motivation for all my little homies who in my DM. Ones I talk about cars with all goddamn day. One time for everybody. Make sure y'all follow that Rick Ross Car Show page. Make sure y'all follow Slippery Soap, and make sure y'all follow that 57 Freddy page.
Hey man, just make sure you like and share the video.
See that thing?
Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the hype.
That's that Ronald Reagan recline. Ain't nothing touching this but that Boss glass.
In the back.
Oh, but this one got it. Oh, you know why? Because that's the ball side over there. That's why. That's what. Yeah. You seen how the thing lights up? You seen it?
Oh, yeah, see.
Damn. I ain't see that before.
You ain't never seen it?
No, I ain't never seen that. And this gotta be my 5th Maybach. No, I ain't never seen that. Nah, this next level right here. One of one. Don't look for this color with the combination of the interior. You wasting your time. Stop. Stop. Don't even do it. Oh man. Now I gotta ask. The Maybach you riding in, do the Maybach logo light up though? Show us right now. We want to see it.
Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Join us on social media for exclusive content. All the links in the description.